Hello friends, how are you? I think you will be very fine at your home. My dear, you are most welcome in the online classes of grade 7's math, and you can see first chapter is a integer. You know all positive natural number with whole number, negative numbers are said to be integer. A set of negative, positive, including with zero is called the integers. My dear, I am going to show this thing on the blackboard. We will represent their integers on the number line. Okay? I said you a set of numbers. Like look here, representation of integers. Suppose here is a number line. We are taking digits on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This side also negative. Are you looking? So, what are you looking here? After this is a 0, it is in the middle. It is in the middle of the number line, and after 0, you are looking all natural number. This is a positive integer. All are positive integers. Yes, it is. And left of the 0, okay, no, negative integers. Yes. What are you looking here? All natural number, whole number, negative numbers are in the category of integers. This is a set of integers. Here 0 is a neither positive nor negative integer, and -1, this -1 is the largest negative integer, and here 1 is the smallest integer. We can write various uncountable positive integers and negative integers. Yes, it is. At first, we have to try to add or subtract integers through the number line. How we can add or subtract? Look, addition of integer. Addition of integer. Suppose this is a number line. I am going to add some number like positive integers at first. Which type of integer? Positive integers. Positive integers you can say -7 plus 4. I'm going to enlarge this line both sides. Now -7 plus 4. You can say all positive 3 plus 4. First this 3 plus 4. We will move into the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the positive case, we will move in the right side. What result comes? You know 3 plus 4 is equal 7. On the number line, you moved where? Here. Is it? Now, if one is a negative and one is a positive, then what will be? We have to try to understand. We have to try to understand the fact. Okay? Yes. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have moved from 4 to negative side. You can say in the left side, where you can add -3. Yes. -7 plus 4 is equal -3. In the positive case, if one is a positive, another is a negative, then we will move towards the negative side. In the case of addition, but if we add or subtract two integers on the number line, then what will be? Look here, subtraction. Suppose -3 and -4, two negative integers. -3 -4. So at first, what will be? We will solve it. -3 plus 4. It means -3 plus 4. We will go through the right side, where 1, here is -3 now. 1, 2, 3, 4. We came here at a 1. What its result is? A 1. If we subtract two negative integers, then we have to move towards the right side. If one is a negative and one is a positive, then like -7 and 4. Look here, -2 and -5. Both are negative. -7 and -5. We have to check it. From which side we will move? If here is a -5, here is a 1, 2 escape. What will be its result? -7. We move in which side? 0 to left. 0 to left. Okay. Now we have to look additive inverse. Yeah. What is additive inverse of the integers? At first, I have to erase the blackboard, and I want to show you text of the book. My dear, I want to show you text of the book. Okay, look here, addition of integer on number line, I showed on the blackboard. To add a positive integer, we move to right on a number line. You are looking -7 plus 5, where we are moving into the right side. Into the right side. Add negative integer, move to the left side. On the blackboard, I have done it. After the subtraction of integer on number line. Okay, 2 minus 6 minus 4. Which side you are moving? Into the left side. Okay. To subtract negative integer, we move right on the number line. -7 and -4. How much is it? -3. You know why? -7 minus into minus plus. It means 4. -7 plus 4 gives result -3. So we have to move into the right side. Yes. Now here is the absolute value of integer. One thing is, my dear, in an absolute value of integer, we have to ignore the sign of positive or negative of the number. Suppose here is a -10, it will be +10. No need of pass. And +10 is a +10. Okay. Now addition of integer without number line. Without number line. We will see the things on the blackboard later. One thing I want to clear you: additive inverse. For any integer, there exists its opposite integer such their sum is 0. Say how? -3 +3. What will be its result? 0. +4 and -4. What will be its result? 0. So for any integer, there exists its opposite integer such that their sum is a 0. -4 plus 4, it will be 0. Okay. Try to understand it on the blackboard. Okay. Absolute value of an integer. Absolute value of integer, it means if -15, just like you will write it +15, and if here is a +15, it will same +15. We are in the absolute value of an integer, we have to ignore the positive or negative sign of the integers. Now addition, add two integers like -5 plus 4. What will be its result? -5 plus 4, -1. 4 plus -8. Negative sign is greater than positive. 8 out of 4 remains 4. Greater sign is a negative, we will insert here negative. This is addition. Subtraction you already know, it is too easy for you. Now topic is inverse of additive inverse of integer. Additive inverse of integers. Additive inverse of two integer always gives 0. Say how? Suppose -4 plus 4, what will be? 0. 4 plus -4. Same way, it will give 0. After that, I want to give you some question for HW. You have to show me on the WhatsApp group, and which is the exercise 1.1 of the text of your book. It will be sent you through the video. You will solve it. Can I write it? Yes. HW. Yes, my dear, now it's turn of HW. Mention first. Subtract subtract 5 from 3 on number line. Okay, subtract 5 from 3 on number line. Number 2, add -4 and 7 on the number line. Subtract -18 from 27. Solve. Yes. Number 5. What is integers? Number 6. You have to prepare note of the tout topic. My dear, here is a question number 6. You have to prepare note of the tout topic. I think you will be do it nicely within a time period, and you will give your questions answer in the WhatsApp group. I hope that you will be fine at your home. Best of luck.